Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AdRoll pixel installation for remarketing campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your AdRoll pixel installation for remarketing campaigns, start by logging into your AdRoll account. Navigate to the Assets tab in the main menu. Click on Pixels to access your pixel settings. Locate the pixel you want to verify. Copy the pixel ID provided for your remarketing campaign. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to your website. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. In the source code, press Ctrl+F or Command+F to open the search function. Paste your pixel ID into the search bar and hit Enter. If the pixel is installed correctly, you should see the pixel ID in the page's source code. If you don't find it, double-check if you have installed the pixel on all relevant pages. For further confirmation, you can use the AdRoll Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store if you haven't already. Once installed, refresh the page on your website. Click on the Pixel Helper icon in your browser toolbar. The extension will show you the status of the AdRoll pixel on your site. Make sure it indicates that the pixel is firing correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to your AdRoll installation guide to troubleshoot. Confirm your pixel is included in the header section of your site's HTML. Test your pixel installation on multiple pages to ensure consistency. Once verified, you can proceed with setting up your remarketing campaigns in AdRoll. Be sure to monitor your pixel performance regularly for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.